In this tutorial, we will learn how to create angle tube profile in CNC CAD. Start a new tube part. Select the angle profile from the drop-down menu. Define the tube's parameters such as width, height, corner radius, thickness, and length. Note you can also select a tube from the database. Use the draw commands to add holes to the tube. You can also add intersection bodies. Click the Create Intersection option. Select the intersecting body, type, angle, sides, and dimensions. To view the tube, click the 3D View option. Go to the AutoCut option, confirm the parameters, and click Run. To see a 3D simulation, click the Tube Simulation option. Check the Remove Material option to see the final results and click Run NC.